programming the 2025 Porsche Taycan MLB key with Keydiy tools. Hey everyone, this is Hussain, and I welcome you back to Baabji Motors, the place where real-world diagnostics meet real-world learning. Today we are diving into something that sounds complex, feels premium, and definitely sits at the front row of modern automotive technology. Programming the 2025 Porsche Taycan MLB key using the Keydiy KD-MP and KD-X4 tools. Before we get rolling, here is a short but essential reminder that everything you see here is purely for learning. Any images or references belong to their rightful owners, and make sure you always follow OEM guidelines and your local laws whenever you work on a vehicle. Now let me open with a question that many technicians quietly wonder but rarely say out loud. Is Porsche running SFD2 protection across every single Taycan, or is it selective? Stick around because the answer shows up in a very interesting way. Also stay with me till the end because I have a unique nugget of information about Porsche's evolving security strategy that you will definitely want to know. So here is what happened in the real-world case, shared by an experienced Keydiy user. Imagine standing next to a 2025 Porsche Taycan, one of the most advanced electric vehicles ever built. The situation: all keys lost. No backups, no spares, nothing. Normally, this is where stress levels go up faster than a Taycan Turbo S launch control run, but with the right tools, the process turns surprisingly controlled. The technician began with a dealer key because the Taycan MLB system requires a key that follows Porsche's strict encryption pattern. With the Keydiy KD-MP tool, he directly pulled the immobilizer data out of that dealer key. The KD-MP extracted the essential information cleanly, without having to open modules or disconnect components. From there, he walked over to the vehicle and used the KD-X4 to complete the programming process right inside the Taycan. Everything synced smoothly, which is impressive considering how sensitive Porsche security systems usually are. Here's where things get unexpected. This particular 2025 Taycan did not have SFD2 protection active. That means Porsche is not applying SFD2 across the entire Taycan lineup. Instead, it appears to be implemented selectively depending on model variations, production batches, or specific market regions. It is a bit like Porsche saying, yes, we secure things tightly, but only when we feel like you deserve that extra challenge. And honestly, that is the kind of moment where a technician's eyebrows go up higher than the price tag of a Porsche charging cable. Credit for the images and field work goes to Vlad Keyman, whose real-world cases help the entire diagnostic community. Now let me wrap this up. The question we started with was whether Porsche has activated SFD2 protection across all Taycan models. The answer, as this case proves, is no. It is active only on select models, which is why this 2025 Taycan allowed full programming without the SFD2 gateway challenge. Personally, I think Porsche is still testing deployment patterns, gradually tightening security where needed while watching how the market responds. What do you think? Should Porsche lock everything down with SFD2, or should selective protection continue? Drop your thoughts because I genuinely want to hear what real technicians feel about this shift. Here is your bonus insight for staying till the end. Porsche has been quietly expanding its encrypted gateway strategies, and several upcoming models in development are rumored to use a hybrid security structure that combines online authorization with region-locked offline tokens. If that rolls out, key programming for some Porsche models might work very differently in the next few years. If you enjoyed this breakdown and want to see more real-world programming cases, hit that like button and help us reach our target of 10,000 likes. And help us reach 1,000 comments by sharing your experience or even dropping a simple hype message. Support the channel, subscribe to Baabji Motors, and let's keep growing this community of smart, hands-on automotive experts.